children, now welcome to the science online class. So this is Sui Singh and I welcome you all in a science online class. So dear students, you all have done very well in your unit test examination. So keep working hard and keep it up, okay? Now I have completed up to chapter 5. Okay student, up to chapter 5 मैंने पढ़ा दिया है आप लोगों को. Now today I am going to discuss about the chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6, that is living and non-living things. Okay, living and non-living things. Okay, so students, can you see in your surrounding? आप अपने surrounding में देखिए, something you will see moving, something you will see some things are taking breath, some move here and there, but something that still you will see that कि कुछ things जो होते हैं वो क्या है, वो अपने place पे ही रहेंगे. It will not move from their place. Okay, so that is what non-living thing. और जो आपकी movement होती है उसमें क्या होता है, वो living thing होती है. But about the plant, आप plant के बारे में बोलोगे कि प्लांट का भी मूवमेंट नहीं होता है. यस, प्लांट का मूवमेंट नहीं होता है, बट प्लांट इज अ लिविंग थिंग. ओके, वो ब्रीथ करता है एंड ऑल्सो इट, जो प्लांट होते हैं वो हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. इट गिव्स अस ऑक्सीजन एंड इट टेक आउट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट. ओके, सो टेक आउट पेज नंबर 53. Okay, page 53. Okay student, that is what living and non-living things. Now see here, some pictures are there. Okay, some pictures are there which is given in your book. Now see, I am reading the chapter. Okay, now see, Shreya was playing with her toy car. Okay, her brother Salabh also wanted to play with the same car, but Shreya refused to give it to him. Shreya said that she was keep this car with her. It would grow and give birth to a baby car. Her mother laughed after listening to her. She told to Shreya that it would not grow as it is non-living thing. She further explained that only living things can grow. Okay, means here she is Shreya. Okay, and he is her brother Salabh. Okay, her brother Salabh. तो श्रेया जो है वो अपने ब्रदर सलभ से क्या कह रही है, वो उसको टॉय कार जो है वो उससे मांग रही है. एंड श्रेया टोल्ड दैट कि टॉय कार वो मुझे चाहिए बिकॉज टॉय कार विल गिव अ बेबी कार. ओके, सो इट विल गिव अ बेबी कार. सो उसकी जो मदर है वो बोली कि नो बेटा, इट इज नॉट ग्रोइंग. जो टॉय कार होती है वो ग्रो नहीं होता है और वो बेबी कार नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है. ओके, वो ग्रो नहीं होता और वो ब्रीथ नहीं करता, उसकी मूवमेंट नहीं होती. ओके, जब आप यहाँ से वहाँ उसको मूव करोगे तभी होगी. सो इट इज द नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज लिविंग थिंग एंड व्हाट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट लेट मी सी द लिविंग थिंग. वी सी मैनी थिंग्स अराउंड अस. हम लोग अपने आसपास में क्या बहुत सारी चीजें देखते हैं. सम ऑफ देम हैव लाइफ एंड सम डू नॉट हैव लाइफ. ओके, things which have life are called living things. Things which do not have lives are called non-living things. Means here living things. Living things में क्या होते हैं? Here is living thing, here is non-living. Okay, so living things, they have life. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, लाइफ होता है. They do not have life. Okay, they do not have life. Example: plants, animals, humans. These are what? These are living things. And here example: table, chair, toy. Okay, these are non-living things. Now living things. About the living thing. Living thing is what? They have life. And non-living thing, they do not have life. Okay, means plants में life होते हैं. Animals move here and there and they are having the life. Humans means we all are humans. Non-living things, they do not have life. Okay, table, chair, toy, okay, pen, copy, book, these all are non-living things. Now about the living things. Okay, things like humans, animals and plants that have life are known as living things. Living things have some special features which non-living things do not have. Do you know that what makes living things different from non-living things? Now let us see. Living things breathe. Living things breathe करते हैं. This one, okay? Inhale and exhale. That is the breathing. Now they need food and water. हमें food and water की need होती है. Without food and water we cannot live. Okay? Now they grow. हम लोग आप छोटे थे, child थे, then you will become young, then man, then old man. So हम लोग का क्या होता है? Growing होता है. Okay? हम लोग grow करते हैं. Most of the living things move on their own. कुछ जो living things है वो खुद पे grow करते हैं. They can reproduce और they reproduce भी करते हैं. They can feel. हमें feel भी होती है. Okay? We can feel also. Now living things breathe. Now first feature is what? Living things breathe. Living things breathe in air to live. हम करते हैं air क्यों? Breathing वो live के लिए, जिंदा रहने के लिए. Okay? Now place your nostril between the thumbs and finger. Now you can know. Can you feel the breathe? Now see, you put your fingers, both fingers on the nostril. ये nostril है, nose के पास आप रखोगे तो आपके पास कुछ एयर्स आएंगे, एक्सेल भी होंगे और इनहेल भी होगा. तो जो एयर जो पास होंगे दैट इज द ब्रीदिंग एयर. ओके, जो हम ब्रीथ करते हैं. नाउ सिमिलरली एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स आल्सो ब्रीथ टू लिव. एनिमल्स ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर लंग्स, गिल्स, स्किन और एयर होल्स. ओके, नाउ सी ह्यूमंस ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर लंग्स. ह्यूमंस जो होते हैं वो कैसे ब्रीथ करते हैं? ह्यूमंस के पास 2 लंग्स होते हैं. ओके, so humans breathe through their lungs. Now animals like fish है वो कैसे ब्रीथ करता है? गिल से. ओके, उसमें गिल होते हैं और वो इसलिए पानी में भी वो सांस ले सकते हैं. नाउ कॉकरोच जो होते हैं, कॉकरोच, ग्रास शॉपर एंड ये सब में क्या होते हैं? एयर होल्स होती हैं. ओके, और वो उसी के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं. Now, living things need food and water. Living things need food and water to live and grow. All living things and plants need food to stay alive. Most plants make food for themselves with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, students? Now, living things can also grow. Okay, now see, I am writing on the blackboard about the living things. Okay? Features of living things. Now features of living things. Okay. Number 1, they can ग्रो. ओके, ये छोटे होते हैं, फिर बड़े होते हैं, फिर इतने बड़े होते हैं, फिर हम लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो दे कैन ग्रो. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? दे नीड फूड. नीड फूड एंड need food and water. Then is what? They breathe. Okay, here it is breathe, sorry. They can breathe. Okay, they need food and water. They can grow. Okay, they can grow. Okay, student, they can grow. Now they can move. ये move भी करता है here and there, and they can reproduce. Reproduce, okay, reproduce and feel. These are the 6 features of living things. ठीक है, ये 6 features है आपके living things के. Okay, so to see on the blackboard, sorry, whiteboard. Okay, you all have seen. So they can move. Now living things can move. We walk to different places. We can hop, escape, jump, run and walk. Animal too walk and run. A dog runs here and there. A bird flies in the air. A fish can swim in the water. So plants also move. They do not move like us or animals. Plants move through their parts. A sunflower turns its faces toward the sun. The leaves of touch me not plant drop when we touch them. Okay. Now they can reproduce. All living things can reproduce their own kind. This is called reproduction. Humans and most animals give birth to babies that are like themselves. Okay. Animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones. A dog gives birth to a pup. A cow gives birth to a calf, and a cat gives birth to a kitten. Okay, so they can reproduce. Now next, living things can feel. Okay, living things can feel. All living things feel. They can feel changes around them. They feel cold or hot. When we touch something hot, we feel the heat. Similarly, we feel anything hurt us. Okay, like us, animals can also feel cold, heat or pain. They feel dangers. Okay, so these are all about the living things. Okay, and these are the features of all living things. So see on the whiteboard, student, and okay, you all know about the living things. So you all have to learn about only these 6 features of living things, and also go through the chapter again and again. Okay, go through the chapter again and again so that you can know all the meanings and about the chapters. Okay, so non-living things. Now non-living things which do not have life are called non-living things. Things like stone, table, chair, mountains, rivers are non-living things. Okay, now non-living things cannot grow on their own. वो खुद पे grow नहीं करते. Similarly, non-living things do not breathe, move, feel. Okay, so now man-made and natural non-living things. These are very important. So I am writing on the whiteboard. Man-made, and natural non-living. Okay, non-living things. Now non-living things can be man-made or natural non-living. Things which are made by man are called man-made non-living things. Some man-made non-living things are furnitures, houses, shoes, clothes, vehicles are man-made non-living things. Now things which are not made by man are called natural non-made things. Some natural non-living things are sun, soil, water, air. Okay? Now see, made by man. Okay? Example, car, house, toy, shoes. These are what? Man-made, made by man, and which are natural. Example, sun, moon, soil. These are all non-living things. ये सब क्या है? Non-living things है. But ये जो non-living things है ये natural है, जिसे मैन ने नहीं बनाया. ये natural है, इसको God ने बनाया. And it is made by man. Okay, it is made by man. Car, house, toys, shoes. These are man-made things. Okay, man-made non-living things, and these are natural non-living things. Okay, so these two are the example. Soil and air also. Air. Okay. Now last is what the difference between living and non-living things. That you have to read the chapter and read page number 60. 60 it is given there. Okay. So your homework is what? Homework is read chapter 6. Okay. आपको चैप्टर 6 को रीड करना है एंड also read the difference between living things and non-living things. So I hope you all have understood this. Okay, you all have understood now. So again I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, now take care, stay at home, bye.